response to corrections. We have more than 180 graduates. These are across what various bachelor's degrees from chemical institutions in Malawi, and more than 250 diploma holders, and more than 200 holders of various educational certificates. What I add to the progress of the wonderful Honorable Minister, I request you to stand for I am right salute. As I said when I'm being senior on, the parade commander is the Superintendent Afiashiwa, who is also the officer in charge of training wing. Division number 1 is under the able leadership of Assistant Superintendent Amina Ejawado. Division number 2 has been trusted is also the office in charge for ground here at his division number 4 is under the leadership of Inspector Jason. Division number 5 is under the leadership of Inspector Charles Kalavu. Mr.